Namaste parents. Hello children. This is AJ. Welcome back to our session. We are learning 7th standard CBSE Mathematics chapter Integers. We are doing exercise 1.1 ninth question. Use the sign less than, greater than or equal to compare these statements. Okay children. So we need to check these integers, whatever they have given, addition or subtraction, is it correct or not, and compare these statements. First we will see question A. Minus 8 plus of minus 4. Minus 8 we can write as it is. Wherever you see plus minus, it is minus 4. What is minus 8 minus 4? Two negative numbers here. So we can add minus 8 minus 4. It is minus 12. Right. Now this side, right hand side. Minus 8 as it is I am writing. Two negative symbols. Minus minus, it will be plus. Plus 4. So one negative number and one positive number. We have to do subtraction. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Which is the biggest number sign? It is minus. Right. So minus 12 here and minus 4 this side. Okay children. Now start comparing. Which one is greater, which one is lesser numbers, right? Now see children, this is a number line. When we are moving this side, right hand side, see all the numbers in increasing order. Left hand side, all the numbers in decreasing order. Now see minus 4 is here. And minus 12 after minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, so on like that somewhere here. So which one is lesser number or which one is greater number? Obviously minus 4 is greater number. So this is the symbol. Question B children. Minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 left hand side. And they have given 15 minus 8 plus of minus 9. It is right hand side. Now we will see this part. Minus 3 plus 7 and minus 19. As it is we can write all these numbers. Here you see two negative numbers. We can write together minus 3 minus 19 and plus 7 this side. Minus 3 minus 19. Two negative integers. So we have to add them. It is minus 22 and plus 7, right? One negative integer and one positive integer. So we have to subtract. 22 minus 17 is 15 and biggest number sign is minus. Minus 15 this side. Right hand side part children. I am writing 15 minus 8 and plus minus. You know one negative sign and positive sign together, minus. Minus 9. So 15. First we add minus 8 minus 9. It is minus 17, right? So 15 minus 17. One negative integer and one positive integer. We have to subtract. What is the answer? 17 minus 15 is 2 and the biggest number sign is minus, right? So here it is minus 15 and here it is minus 2. Which one is the bigger number and which one is the smaller number? We will see. Number line. See, 0, minus 1, minus 2 is here. Right children? So minus 15 will be here. Some more numbers after. Okay. So minus 2 is greater number. So minus 15 and minus 2. When you compare, minus 15 is lesser than the minus 2. Clear children? Question C. 23 minus 41 plus 11. First we will see positive numbers. Write one side and negative number minus 41 this side. Okay. One positive integer and another positive integer. You can add directly. It is 34. 23 plus 11 is 34. Minus 41. One positive integer and one negative integer. So we have to subtract them. 41 minus 34 is 7. Which one is the bigger sign here? Minus. So minus 7 is the answer this side. Now we'll see right hand side. 23. Here minus 41 minus 11. You can add them directly. Minus 52, right? 41 plus 11 is 52. Now one positive integer and one negative integer. Minus 52 plus 23. So answer is 29. Which 29? It is plus or minus? Minus 29. Right children? So which one is greater number or which one is smaller number? Tell me. Minus 7 is somewhere here after minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7, right? This is minus 7 and minus 29 is after these numbers. So minus 7 is greater than the minus 29, right children? Now question D children. 39 plus of minus 24 minus 15 and right hand side 36 plus of minus 52 and minus of 36. So we'll see left hand side part. 39 plus minus 24 and here also minus 15. First we add negative numbers. 39, 24 plus 15, how much? 39. It is minus 39. You know 39 minus 39 is 0, right? Now we will see right hand side part. 36 as it is I am writing. Now plus minus 52, right? And minus plus 36. Now you can add both positive numbers. 36 plus 36, 72 and minus 52. What is 72 minus 52? One positive number and negative integer. So we have to subtract. It is 20, right? So 0 here and 20 here. 0 is here and 20 is this side. Okay children, so which one is greater? 20 is greater number, right? So as per our statement, 0 is lesser than the 20. Correct children? Now question E children. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. First we will add these positive numbers. So minus 231 as it is I am writing. Now tell me 79 plus 51. So it is 130. Right children? One negative integer and one positive integer. It is minus 231 plus 130. We have to subtract. 231 minus 130. How much? It is 101. Plus or minus? Minus 101 because bigger number sign is minus 101. So right hand side children minus 399 I am writing as it is. Now we will add both positive integers. Plus 159 plus 81. How much? It is plus 240, right? One negative integer and one positive integer. We have to subtract them. Minus 399 plus 240. How much? It is 159. Minus 159. So here it is minus 101. Here it is minus 159, right? So these are the negative integers. You can see minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. If it is minus 100. Okay children? After so many numbers, minus 100. So after that, minus 101. So which one is coming first? Minus 101 or minus 151? 159. It is minus 101. So this is the greater number, right? So minus 101 is greater than the minus 159. Now 10th question children. A water tank has steps inside. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step here. The water level is at the 9th step. Okay children? And the first question. He jumps 3 steps down and jump back 2 steps up. Okay, first he jumped for 3 steps down and second jump 2 steps back. In how many jumps it will reach the water level? This is the question children, and see, these are the steps. This is the first step and 9th step here at water level. Okay, so monkey is sitting here on the first step. Okay, so what is the first jump they said? Three steps down, right? First jump 3 steps down. So like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And second jump 2 steps up. Correct? So again it is going back. 3, 2. Right children? For better understanding, we will see the same steps on number line. So now monkey is sitting here. First step, so I am writing M. Okay. So in first jump, 3 steps down. Numbers are in increasing order. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, second jump, 2 steps up. Again reverse. 1, 2. So now what is the position? Number 2 is the position, right? So it is jumping like this. Same pattern it is continuing, right? 3 steps down, 2 steps up. First jump, what is the monkey position? First step, 3 steps down. That means plus 3 we have to do. Plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now second jump, monkey is at the 4th step, right? Now we have to minus 2. Why? It is 2 steps up. See? 1, 2. It is coming reverse order. So we have to do minus 2. Now 4 minus 2, it is 2, right? Now third jump, 2 plus 3. It is 5. Fifth step. Fourth jump, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Next, fifth jump, 3 plus 3. It is 6. Now monkey is on the 6th step. But we want 9th step, right? Because water level is at the 9th step. So again we will continue the same pattern. Now 6th jump, 6 minus 2, it is 4. 7th jump, 4 plus 3, it is 7. 8th jump, 7 minus 2, it is 5, right? 9th jump, again plus 3. 5 plus 3, it is 8. 10th jump, 8 minus 2, it is 6. Now 11th jump, 6 plus 3. Now what is 6 plus 3? 9. See, this is the 9th step, right? Exactly the water level is at the 9th step. Now second question, children. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and 2 steps down. In how many jumps will he reach back to this top step? Okay. Now monkey is at the 9th step, children. After the first question, it is 9th step. Okay. Now it has to reach the first step again. For that, how it is going? 4 steps up, that is minus 4. See, like reverse order. Minus 4. 2 steps down, that is plus 2 again. Increasing order. See, numbers increasing order. So we have to do minus 4 plus 2. See here also. Now monkey is at the 9th step exactly. So 4 steps up, that is minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps up, minus 4. Again 2 steps down. See, we have to increase. 6, 7 here. Now monkey is at the 7th step. Okay, after this 2 jumps, monkey is at the 7th step. Same like this, we have to continue the pattern. Okay, we will see. First jump, what is the monkey position? Number 9. 9 minus 4, it is 5, right? Second jump, 5 plus 2, it is 7. Third jump, 7 minus 4. We have to continue the same pattern. Don't get confused, it is 3. Now fourth jump, 3 plus 2, it is 5. Now we will see fifth jump also. What is the monkey position now? It is at the 5th step, right? So 5 minus 4. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is the first step, starting position. So monkey reached the first step at the after 5 jumps. Okay, children. So now after drinking water, he reached back the top steps in 5 jumps. Okay, children. Third question. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following patterns. Okay, children, they are giving number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers. and number of steps moved up by positive integers. See, in first and second question what we did here, when it is moving down it is increasing order, we have to use positive integer, we have to do addition, but here they gave negative integer. And when it is moving up it is coming reverse order, right? We are using negative numbers, but here they have given positive integer. So it is little reverse question, we have to complete the given pattern. What is the given pattern? A minus 3 plus 2 minus and so on, they have given until minus 8. This is the question. We will check the pattern. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, because they have given so on, you have to continue until you get minus 8. Okay, so minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, and we will check here. Minus 3 plus 2 how much? Minus 1, right children? And this is also minus 1, and here also minus 1, here also minus 1, and here also minus 1. Now you add all the minus 1s, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, right? But we have to get answer minus 8. So we have to continue the pattern for 3 more steps. And minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2 and minus 3 plus 2. Now we will check one more time. Minus 3 plus 2 again minus 1. Here also minus 1 again, and here also minus 1. Okay children, now we will see the answer. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. See how many times we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is minus 8, right? This is the pattern they have given. Question B, they have given the pattern like this. 4 minus 2 plus so on until we get plus 8. Okay children, now we will try this pattern. 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? One positive integer and negative integer. 4 minus 2 is 2, right? So we will continue 2 more steps. Again plus 4 minus 2, plus 4 minus 2, right? Now what is 4 minus 2? Here also 2, and here also 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, but we want 8, no? Until we reach 8, we have to continue the same pattern. Again plus 4 minus 2, it is 2 again. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So this is the pattern children. In the same question they have asked the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. See, minus 8, that means negative integer represents going down. So what will the sum plus 8, that means question B answer, plus 8 represent? It is positive integer, so it is going up, right? Positive 8 represents going up. Okay children? In next session we will discuss the properties of integers children. Thank you very much.